Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
I'm just saying it's a sub-judice matter.
Yes.
And each state will fight for its rights. Like Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, we have Kaveri water dispute. So Karnataka fights for its right in Karnataka, for Karnataka. Tamil Nadu will fight for Tamil Nadu, irrespective of political parties. Could be organizations, farmers organizations, all like that. Each state will have its own issues. Ultimately, it's a duty of each state to fight for its rights and for justice. Either the Prime Minister intervenes and settles the matter, because he is the arbitrator where he can call all the chief ministers, sit down and discuss with them and come to some settlement. So either he should do it, which he did not do for whatever reason. Now it is in front of the courts. So in this country, the final arbitration is at the Supreme Court. I am here to strengthen the party organization. I am not coming here to take decisions on behalf of the Pradesh Congress Committee. And whatever the Pradesh Congress Committee does here will be for the interest of the people of Goa, and they have every right to do it. Now, there are two things here. Mining is a genuine commercial activity. The problem comes when there is illegal mining or when there is deviations in that. So today, just because there is a problem doesn't mean you close down everything. You have a proper mechanism. Our leader Ravalji also has said that mining, with a proper framework, legal framework, it should be allowed.
फुडल्या वेंचणुकेत राष्ट्रवादी पक्षाक बरोबर घेऊन वतले का म्हणून विचारल्यार खंय 40 मतदारसंघात लढपाची तयारी.
Here on all 40 seats, Congress is going to get ready. Congress will strengthen in all the 40 constituencies.
Thank you.
गोंयचे ज्येष्ठ फुडारी गोंय राज्य काँग्रेस प्रभारी दिनेश गुंडू रावाक मेळ्ळे. पर्येचो आमदार प्रतापसिंह राणेन पक्ष घटमूट करपा संबंधी उलोवप केले. राज्यातले परिस्थितीचो नियाळ घेवंक परत फावट मारची म्हूण फोंडेचो आमदार रवीन ताका सुचोवणी केली. नावेलीचो आमदार लुईजिनी रावाक मेळ्ळो.
No, to have to strengthen the party, and we have what suggestions I could give, I have given.
ताका परत येवं सांगला आनी थंडपणाने थोडी दीस काड ऑलरेडी. सध्या तो मद्रास पंडिचेरी इंचार्ज आसा. सो हांवें ताका सांगलें तूं परत यो, सगळें मेळ, नो इन्फॉर्मेशन घे आनी मागीर डिसायड कर कितें करपाक जाय आमी गोंयांत.
And he will assess the situation. Most probably he may have to come immediately again so that he takes the final decision.
दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार फ्रांसीस सार्दिनूय काँग्रेस प्रभारी दिनेश गुंडू रावाक मेळ्ळो.
की आमची पार्टी स्ट्रॉंग जावची हें कितको आमी परतो काँग्रेस हाडटले हें आमी डिस्कस केला. तो ताजोय आमकां फूल तेंको आहा.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.